Click on this red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel. Click on this bell button to get all my videos notification. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a very easy and yummy recipe for our little champ. So don't wasting any time, I am going straight to the ingredients. Our first ingredient is whole grain brown basmati rice. Second is red lentils. The spices I will use turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, 1 full egg. The egg should be free range egg. 1 tomato, 1 medium size carrot, 1/2 sweet potato. So let's start cooking. At first wash a pan and set it on the stove. I am pouring some water on it. Now I have washed the brown rice and the lentils all together and I am pouring it onto the water. The rice and the lentils will take some time to get boiled and to get soft, so we will wait for 5 to 10 minutes to get it boiled. After waiting for 5 to 10 minutes, now we will add the carrots. I have cut the carrots in small pieces, very thin small pieces, so that my baby can eat this. Now I am giving the sweet potato. I have cutted the sweet potato exactly on the same size. Now I am giving the tomato. I have cutted the tomato also exactly the size of the carrots. Make sure all the pieces are small and thin so that your baby can swallow it. After waiting for 5 to 10 minutes again, I will add the spices now. I am adding the turmeric powder first. I am adding the coriander powder. The cumin powder. And I always do add some kalu jeera, black seed powder to my baby's food. Kalu jeera or black seed powder is very good for our health. So I always do add these ingredients, this herb, this spice to my baby's food, and my baby like this too. So you can add this or you can skip as your baby's taste. After 15 to 30 minutes, the rice is soft now. Now I will add the egg. After adding the egg, you have to beat it very well and you have to cook then for 5 to 10 minutes. So my babies, this yummy dish is ready. At last I will add the coriander leaves. This will give a very pleasant and aromatic flavor to the food. Coriander leaves smells very good, and I hope all the babies like this. My baby especially likes the smell of the coriander leaf. So you can add this or you can skip this process. So here the khichri is ready. You can give it to your baby every day or whenever you want to give him. But this khichri is really good for your baby, and this tastes so yummy. Your baby will definitely like it. I hope so. Please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Wait for my next video. Until then, bye bye.